So now we got the new mats in there, here in the front and in the back too. I decided to use some foam mats for that, because the original ones was not really reusable for that, because it was soaking with water, and yeah, if that is one time soaking with water you can throw it away. So yeah, we got the mats in there. Right there I don't have enough, so I have to piece it together a little bit, but that's fine, I guess. So the next step is to work on the cables. See right here, I have to get new cables in there for the speakers and all that stuff. And yeah, that's the original mat which was in there, and yeah, we just I just replaced it with that foam. So I removed the old harness. It's down on the ground down there. So all that old cables, and yeah, I just removed it, throw it out of my way. So I got new cables in here for the speakers up there, and the wires for the audio system as well. So I have done it at the other side too. So I have a clean harness in the whole car. So all the wires from the audio cables are coming here in the dash, for the speakers in the dash, and also in the doors. So the glue from the foam mats is good now. The foam mats are tight, the glue is dry, so it's ready for the new carpet. So now I prepare the carpet, I clean it up and get it in there. You got the new carpet in here. Yeah, the old carpet, but I cleaned the carpet. And yeah, how you see, it turns out really well. It's in really nice condition, no dirt at all. So still waiting on sunroof parts. Yeah, so but I keep going with interior. So I don't know what I do with the seats. Yeah, so I maybe want to fit some other seats in here, maybe some from a Corrado leather interior or something like that, but I don't know if it fits really good with the rear seat bench. I guess I can fit the front seats, but I don't know about the seat bench. But yeah, for the first time, that's it. And don't know what I do with the door panels right now. Try to decide what I do with that. And the dash maybe also needs an upgrade. I probably get the dash out, but I don't know yet. Yeah, so but the interior is so far so good. So a lot of parts already arrived. Still not all the parts, but a lot of them, and good quality too. So now we can start to work on the engine and get that thing running good again.